Splits is a set of tools that helps people automatically split payments that are made across the Ethereum ecosystem. And by plugging these different tools together, kind of like a set of payment Legos, you can actually set up countless different ways for both you and your collaborators to receive these payments. And there are people all over the world using splits to work together and to get paid together in a digitally native way. And they're setting up splits to send participants their share of earnings, to recoup costs in a set way before then splitting funds with a group of people, and even to automate tax withholdings. So in this video, we're going to take a look at some of these examples so that you can have a better idea of how you can use splits in the future. Musicians like Daniel Allen and Rio Cragen are using splits to share earnings from their album releases. Now, people can come to this website to purchase the album, and when they do, the ETH that they spend is sent to the split that Daniel and Rio have previously set up. And that split looks like this, and you can see how all of the funds are split up amongst the various artists that have contributed to the project, as well as various visual artists, producers, and other collaborators. Pretty cool. Going even further, collectives of writers who are releasing magazines together via MetaLabel are doing the exact same thing, except with an added twist. To create a magazine and to produce and distribute a physical copy of it, of course there are going to be a lot of set costs that you can't avoid. So to solve this problem, these collectives have been using one of Split's payments Lego bricks called a recoup to reimburse people for their expenses, and then once those expenses have been returned, then they can split the profits with a larger group of contributors that you can see here in this next tier. And the best part about Splits is how easy and accessible it is for everyone to use, and the fact that it's more than just a set of payments building blocks, it's also an entire ecosystem that people can tap into to build their own applications. Just take a look at Sound, one of the most popular platforms for artists who are releasing their music on chain. They've baked splits right into the platform so that artists who are minting their tracks on the platform can easily create their own splits without ever having to leave the application. Now, if your favorite platform doesn't yet feature splits, that doesn't mean that you can't use splits with it. Whether you're using something like OpenSea or Zora or Manifold or any other platform, as long as it allows you to set a specific payout wallet address, you can use splits with it. And as you've already seen, you don't need to be a developer or have any kind of technical knowledge in order to use splits yourself. The Splits team has put together this extremely simple web app that allows you to build your own split in minutes. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do over these next few videos. You'll learn how splits work, how you can set them up yourself, and how you can easily use splits to automate any type of payment.